Namaskar, my name is Yogita Kumari. I have completed my Masters of Science and currently I am doing my internship on Indian Knowledge System Institutional Internship Scheme 2024-25 at SS Khanna Girls Degree College. As a part of my internship, I am doing work on the traditional water conservation method of Himachal Pradesh on cool system. Today I am here to represent my model which is based on this system which has been practiced over hundreds of years in different valleys in Himachal Pradesh. In this model, you can see that these are the glaciers by which stream water carries from the higher regions to the valley below. Usually, the source of water is a natural stream which is further diverted into this man-made channel. So here in this model, the channels are represented by these pipes by which the water flows through the field and provided much needed irrigation for crops like wheat, maize, paddy and vegetables. It is built under the stone wall which is shown by the black color structure and also used for everyday tasks, and in addition it is also useful for emergencies. As you can see, these small pipes I represent here named as pools, which is canal-like construction to preserve the water that comes from the mountains. Here these channels are made by digging narrow passage in the soil and lining them with stone and wooden planks. In some areas, even small embankments are constructed with mud and stone to control the flow. Traditionally, this maintenance of these channels was a community responsibility. You can also see the small huts here, which shows that every household were being benefited from these schools. Even villagers contributed labor, money and resources for the continuity and maintenance of these schools. Since the beauty of the cool system lies in its simplicity, so at the heart of this system was Koli, a person who was appointed by the villagers to manage the distribution of water. The Koli ensured that every farmer received his fair share of irrigation, no one misused the channel. Even today, many villages in Kangra, Mandi, Kulu, Chamba district still rely on pools because these methods not only conserve water but also conserve culture, community, and we move forward, it becomes our responsibility to protect, preserve and promote such indigenous system. Thus, my model shows how pools are not just irrigation channels but lifeline that connect nature, agriculture and society in Himachal Pradesh, where water flows, life grows thanks to cool